Off-label uses for Dupli-Color Tire Paint. We're going to be doing the fender well today up in here. I'm going to remove this so we can see up in here. I'm going to dismount y'all really quick. Hopefully y'all are having a great Tuesday. I know I did a blooper in the last video. Want to make sure I clarify. This stuff is $7, not $28. I was talking about 28 days. Anyways, so we got us a fender well right here, and everybody knows that these get discolored sometimes, and we're always kind of looking for a fix maybe to make the customers more happy or add value. And we're gonna put it on right here. I'll try to get in there, and we maybe touch this plastic up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm only gonna be doing it via spray application, so y'all can know that. And then I think I'm gonna try maybe applying with a brush. Let me zoom out really quick and shake this can up. I'm not trying to keep this too long. I want y'all to be able to not have to watch these for forever, and I think it goes better for everybody's attention span if it doesn't last forever. So we're gonna do this side, spray paint, and then I'll do a little brushing in here, and then we'll see what it does, and then we'll kind of go from there. So y'all can see it. All right, here we go. And I'll be giving weekly updates along with the tire paint on the Sequoia while we do this. So this is gonna be I guess we'll do like 2 coats. I know I said this side, but it looks like it's going on really well, and I like how it's flashing on there. So I think we're just gonna stick with this. If you probably were doing a customer car, I'd say cover the suspension or shocks, but I like how this is looking so far. All right, here we go. And I always recommend doing light coats. Light coats are always a key with this, and then you can apply 2 medium wet coats. I think the biggest win with this stuff is that it dries to the touch in a very, very short time. I can already tell right here, you know, yeah, it's I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's already bonding, and there's nothing on my hand. So, all right. I do like how it's doing it. It's flashing, and it's looking really, really clean. So, obviously, a really good way to do this stuff would be if you had the tire off, but I didn't feel like going through all that today. I just kind of wanted to show y'all what it looks like if you apply it. Yeah, we're just gonna, I thought I was gonna do another method, but we're just gonna keep applying, and then we're gonna spray it right here. Why you use gloves is you do get it on your fingers. All right, so here we go. All right, light coats, like I said, because if you don't do light coats, the stuff will run, and it's about 45 degrees out right now, so that I'm trying to keep that in mind and when I apply it. And I'm not going to come out much farther because I don't want to get up my paint, even though I know how to get it off. I just don't want to do one more step today. So here we go. We're going to do one more light coat. Make sure we get it even. I think this would definitely help out some of you guys that are, I don't know, maybe West, East Texas, deal with more of those truckers routes and all that stuff. This maybe be a good idea for you guys. Maybe speed up the cleaning time, possibly. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna let that go, and we're gonna do one more quick light coat. I just want to make sure I get it even, and then I'll bring you guys in. I think it looks pretty nice right now, though. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, looking good today. Looking good. I like this. This is turning out way better than what I was thinking. Figured it would look good, but not that good. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna bring y'all in. Hold on, let me turn the camera around so I can see what I'm doing and get the dismount going really quick. Okay, all right, here, let's see if y'all can see that. All right, look at that. That looks nice, right? Look at that, look at that. Sorry about the bump on the microphone. Okay, so there we go. So there's the fender well, and then on the plastic, there we go. Here, let me turn my handy dandy light on, see what we got going on here. Okay, so as y'all can tell, I think it's running a little bit, but it might need a little more evening out, but we'll go back over here. Yeah, that looks, sorry about the bump, that looks very clean. I am enjoying that look. So turn the light off. There you go. I think we got something here. So we'll see how this does. So Dupli-Color Tire Paint, about 2.5, 3 coats, I guess you can say, on the fender well. And I know that looks like a glare right there, but that is actually painted black when you see my finger up next to it. So just to let y'all know. So it is even on there. So we'll check this out in about a week. So y'all have a great evening. I'll talk to you later.